Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is Sunday. Now I'm just filming the guinea pigs right now, but basically the big job to do today is to sort out the skinny pigs. So the skinny pigs, as you may know, are moving into a vivarium, so that's getting dropped off later on today. And I didn't explain very well in the last vlog why they kind of need to move into something more protected, and basically because I'm wanting to integrate the herd out to the playhouse, and I was explaining how having the heater on full for the skinny pigs is not good for their health. Now a lot of you guys suggested using a dehumidifier, and if I was just to keep these in here long term, that would work really nicely. However, I am wanting to integrate the herd outdoors in springtime, and this is going to happen by gradually reducing the temperature of the room. Hence why I got a vivarium for them, and then the guinea pigs can hopefully move out sooner than I first anticipated. So yeah, a lot to plan today. I think the person with the pet shop is delivering the vivarium about 5 o'clock, so it will be quite late this evening, but I'm really relieved because there's so much work to do in here. But yeah, I'm gonna have to crack on with that now. Hi girlies. Oh, if you're wondering why Bramley's fur is a little bit greasy, I had to put some oil on him, so yeah, just to sort of aid the treatment. Hi. Jasper, have you got a poorly foot? Jasper. Jasper, who's this? Jasper, who's this? He doesn't care. He loves Belle. Stop chewing, stop it. Why have you chewed this massive hole in your carrier? Cheeky boys. It's great for filming you though. You can see right in now. It's so cute. Oh, by the way, I'm having a bit of a lazy day, which is why I'm wearing these. I just can't be bothered to get dressed properly. So yeah, I'm in comfy clothing. I'm going to build the table, so the gerbils are gonna be over here. Don't know where to put Sooty, he's making a mess already. We'll find somewhere, he's only in a smallish cage, so maybe I could get a shelf put on my wall and then he could sit on there or something. It's just the fact that all the bedding keeps falling out of that cage, so we just need to find somewhere to put that, but I'm gonna get building the table now. Look at this one here. How have you not managed to get out already? What's the new wheel like? They absolutely destroyed the last one, so I'm hoping this will be a bit more hard wearing. So we've got the vivarium all set up now. I mean, they just delivered it like this. So yeah, I think it looks really nice in the room. I love the colour of it, like the nice grey colour. And it is the one which you would have seen in the video yesterday if you watched that. I say yesterday, this is probably not being uploaded the day after, so the previous vlog basically. And we've got some heat lamps here as well, which were recommended to us. This is the bulb, and then this is the lamp fixture thing. So we're just going to go and attach this in now.
Okay.
That's bright, isn't it? It's all like set up now, the lighting's working, so here it is, and it's actually putting out so much light, which is nice. It's only like one side, so they could choose to be in the heat or not, depending on what they want, and immediately it's starting to heat up, so that's nice. But there's so many vents in the back that it shouldn't get too hot, and obviously I'll monitor that and make sure it just stays at a nice stable temperature for them. So I'm really excited about this, and yeah, I'm gonna start peeling away this tape on here. So this is made by the company Clear Seal. I'm just gonna peel this off. The good thing about this shelving is that I could store the fleeces there. At the minute I've got all the fleeces in here, or even for buckets, for cleaning products, for their food. It's just like the possibilities are endless, that's what I was trying to say. So let's see, I've got some towels in here. So we're gonna go with that one. See what else. The black ones are generally quite good, I like these ones. So get some towels down, and then they're like cuddle cups and stuff. That is so stereotypical. Oh, there's a nice grey one actually. Maybe we'll give that a try. It's a nice big one. Cool, so I'm so excited to get this set up. We're going to be using a litter box, so I'm just going to put this litter tray down the other end. I don't want it right under this. I mean, maybe I'll change my mind, but I think it's probably better down there, especially if I've got hay and stuff. So I actually think that works pretty well, using one of those to hold it up. It's a nice height. I thought this wooden shelf would be quite cute in here as well. Here I have Skinny Piggy 1. There you go. The setup is so bare at the minute and I need to go and fetch their water, but I just want to kind of see how they get on with it, and then I can start adding some more toys and stuff for them to play with. Straight into the hay. That's what I like to see. There we go. Cool, I'm pretty happy with that. And also what I was thinking, I'm gonna give them regular floor time now, so a couple times a day I'll be able to block off like half the room for them so they can get exercise. What I've noticed as well with these guys, they'll spend like the majority of the day sleeping, but when they're active, they are pretty active, so that will give them sort of that luxury as well. They can get out and have that floor time, but also have somewhere nice and warm, and it's just better for them. And quickly before I end this vlog, I just wanted to show you where Belle is right now, seeing as I haven't really updated you guys on her today. But basically you can see her there. She's been sleeping down here. There she is. It's so cute. It's so nice that she's sleeping in like a proper burrow system. I think that's awesome. So yeah, it's so cool. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.